Okay, so the title of this video is a little bit misleading because the news about Chainalysis I'm talking about with you today is good news for us and for you and for anyone who is participating in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin transactions and you care at all about your financial privacy. This is good news. If you are working at Chainalysis, if you're the one trying to sell their products, their software to governments, law enforcement agencies around the world, maybe this isn't good news. So here's what's happening now is there is an amazing lawyer who I am quickly becoming a fan of. His name is Tor Ekelund. Good first name, especially if he's considering who he's defending. I'd be curious if that's actually the name he was born with. If so, it's amazing. This is a lawyer that often represents people like hackers or cryptocurrency enthusiasts. And most recently, he is representing a Bitcoin OG who actually built a mixing service called Bitcoin Fog. And he's been taken to court, obviously having Bitcoin mixers have a bad rap and are often used for criminal activity, although they do obviously help protect your financial privacy online, something that a lot of people take for granted. But here's what's happening now is that this lawyer, Tor Ekelund, he was interviewing Elizabeth Brisby, who is the head of investigations at Chainalysis for Government Solutions. And he was asking her, what is the efficacy of this reactor software that they sell to be used by governments, again, and law enforcement agencies around the world? Many exchanges use this software as well to prove that they're not helping to partake in money laundering, and they're helping, to track all the transactions of their users to one day sell that information to governments or law enforcement agencies whenever they might want that information. Chainalysis is used a lot. It's a company that was founded in 2014, and it's been involved in many cases against cryptocurrency users. It's often been the reason why people are unjustly and wrongly convicted, or unjustly or wrongly their accounts being removed and ultimately treated like a criminal, even though Chainalysis reactor software is now, this person, Elizabeth Brisby, testified saying that they do not have any peer-reviewed research information. Nothing has been published ever anywhere that says anything about the success rate or the accuracy of this blockchain transaction tracking software. Not only do they have no research, scientifically based evidence proving that this software is accurate, they have taken no effort to record if there's been any false positives or even negative accounts of their software. The only thing that they use to measure their success is customer feedback. So this is a company that, in 2021, they had, a $2 billion valuation. They've raised over $500 million in over 10 rounds of funding. So people are investing in Chainalysis, and what are they doing with it? Jack diddly squat. So let this be a glimmer of hope that yes, we are still early in this crypto space, and companies like Chainalysis, even though they've been around for almost 10 years, still aren't sure exactly how accurate they are at tracking transactions. But it's just really interesting to see that Chainalysis is often used, and we're seeing it now as the boogeyman. Oh, all your transactions are, they are permanent on the blockchain. So don't get me wrong. Software probably will become better as time goes on, but as this information is coming out, we're in the year 2023, guys, and Chainalysis has zero proof of their accuracy of their software. That is huge news. And also remember that this is a software that most governments and law enforcement agencies are using to combat things like criminal activities, nefarious activities, terrorism, and it's also their standby when they're saying, crypto is used by criminals. Are you sure? Are you sure about that now? Because I'm pretty sure that Chainalysis has no proof that it's accurate. Coming from the company itself, from the head of investigations at Chainalysis for Government Solutions. That is what they're saying. It's just all the more evidence, again, what Toby and I have been saying since the start of this channel in 2016, that, echoing the sentiment from Andreas Antonopoulos. If you guys aren't familiar with him, I highly recommend you check him out. I'll put a link down to his YouTube channel down below in the video description. That governments in general are about a decade behind innovation because they have a whole lot of bureaucracy and red tape to wade through before they can actually hope to do something innovative or effective, especially in terms of tech. Yeah, sure, there's some smart people working for governments and trying to figure out this crypto thing, but there's far more intelligent and imaginative and entrepreneurial people who are working for the creation of these cryptocurrencies and the development of them and the continuation of them. And that is what hope springs eternal for me in this cryptocurrency space. If you guys want to know anything about why crypto was created, I'm writing a book on it that is going to be released very soon. If you're in the CT Club, you guys are going to get a free edition of that book. If you want to join the CT Club, a link for it is down below in the video description. Another great source, or just the thing to research, check out the cypherpunk movement and thank me later. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll keep you updated for more good news. My name's Heidi. This is Crypto Tips. I'll see you later.